Hello Turbo family, Assalamu alaikum. Today I bring you with another pickup that I just did. It's a 2016 Nissan Pathfinder SL. Beautiful car. First look, let's do a first walk around video because this is my first time looking at this vehicle. I bought this car sight unseen, so I really don't know what's wrong with it. I bought this off the auction and it just got picked up. It just got dropped off to my store just now. So looking at a walk around, I see few damages. I see some major cosmetic damages, like right here. This has a very big damage right here. The bumper came off. I see no. Let me know if y'all see any suspension damage or any kind of leaks right there. But first looks pretty good. I had the silver one, which was a better deal, I guess. But it got decent tires. Beautiful blue color. It's an SV, so it comes with the cloth interior, but it has JBL sound system. It's a Nissan Pathfinder. So let's see if I have the key or no. As y'all can see, I have the key right here. Okay, locks, unlocks. Okay, let's check out the hood and let's see if we have any kinds of holes or any kind of leaks right there. As you can see, this is dirty. This car is dirty right here, and this smells bad too. Whew. Whew. But let's check under the hood and let's see what's up with it. Hold on with me a bit. First looking at it, I can see this car has been sitting for a while. This car didn't start for a while. As you can see, this is dusty. This is very dusty. But good thing is that I don't see any leaks right there. I see a power steering leak, but that's probably something very small. It probably needs a new battery because it's full of corrosion. As you can see, the car has been sitting here for a while. It got zip ties. The old owner probably didn't want to spend much on it. It has some cosmetic damages here. But let's see if the car runs or not, okay? Let's see. Oh. We got power. We got power right there. The car starts. Wheel feels fine. Doesn't have a lot of damages, but as y'all can see, this is dirty. We got some of the codes popping up. We gotta clear those codes out. Let's see what's the status of the car. Radio works.
Lose weight with Ozempic or
radio works. AC. It's taking time to kick in, so I'm not really sure. I can choose the modes right here. I want it on the face. It's right there. I'm pretty sure a girl used to drive this car, so you can see there's a lot of things right there, but she kept it really unclean. Making some money out of it, I see. Let's see if the important window works. Less important window works. Back window works. Rear back window works. Let's see if it goes into gear or no. Actually, let's check the miles first. So we have, I'll do a check this. Okay, so we have about 141k miles, which is very good for a Nissan. Actually, not bad at all. It doesn't have a sunroof. But let's go look at the car. It's very filthy, man. We gotta clean this car up. So what we are gonna do is clean the car up now and give you all a full walk around video of it again, before after, and let's see where it goes from there. So thank you everyone, thank you for staying with us.